Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Here we are going to tell you about how to get thumbnail of YouTube video. So let's start with the video. Open a YouTube video, then press Ctrl plus U. Here it shows the source page. Then press Ctrl plus F to find anything on this page. Then search maxres default.jpg. Here you will find the URL. Copy this URL, open a new tab, paste the URL here. Now remove percentage sign and 3a, put colon sign and press enter. Here is the thumbnail of the video. You can save it or download it in your PC. So this is how you can get thumbnail of any YouTube video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.